I don't think we can. All those people would kill us if we did.
So does that mean you're staying? You know, because I can handle it on my own if you don't want to.
Please, you couldn't pay me enough to leave. Besides, who's gonna run the station when you're off on tour? Of course I'm staying, man. Hey, Mook, let me holler at you.
What's up?
Hey, Mookie, man. I love you, man.
I love you too, bro.
Chris, baby, you done well. Honey, you can finally get some rest.
Go ahead with yourself. Go on, Playboy, put it down.
I've been through some things that's brought about my change. Just trying to find my way. Hasn't been all fun and games. There's been some ups and downs. Life's been spinning me around. But I think I found something that makes it right. It gets me through, takes me to a place that's never had no rules. Lets me do what I wanna do. Always makes me wanna move and groove. Feel the vibe and everything's gonna be alright. Let the music take control and get your soul and let it go. Whoa. It's my voice, it's my joy, it's my peace, it's my love, it's my thing, it's my music, it's my soul, it's my strength, it's what flows deep within, it's the air that I breathe, it's my music. I don't think I can recall when music's let me fall. It always picks me up whenever I feel it's too much. See, it runs all through my veins. It's the only thing that keeps me sane. Nothing else can make me feel the same. It's the feel I need to get me through. It gets me through, takes me to a place that's never had no rules. Lets me do what I wanna do. Always makes me wanna move and groove. Feel the vibe and everything's gonna be alright. Let the music.
Ooh, yeah. We gon' do it, yeah. Y'all know who this be? Oh, yeah. We gon' do it again. Oh, yeah. Do it again, yeah. Come on. Oh, yeah. Here we go, come.
See me outside stepping from the ride with two bad chicks on my side. The player has arrived. All the haters meet me inside. Sipping on hypnotic gin. And tonight I came to win. And then dealt you up your friends. Double X style, you and your twin. Come high, it's a party now. Party daddy style with Bacardi now. I'm so pumping hottie now. Can't mess around and just follow around. If you didn't come to party, then wrap it up. If you did come to party, then back it up. Cause the way we get down, we don't give a what. We don't give a what. We don't give a what. Put your drinks down and throw your hands up. Ladies, looking good, shaking that butt. It's time again. Let's begin. We'll shake it till it's broken. Do it again. Hands are clapping, feet are moving. Beat is bumping, we are grooving. It's time again. Let's begin. We'll shake it till it's broken. Do it again. I walk in, all eyes on me. People party like the rest. DJ spinning my favorite jams. Cause it knows who I am. Crystal and caviar. Wanna be ballers and bougie bras. VIP is overrated, so I'm headed.
Have a seat. I hope you have an appetite for me. I'm cooking up a recipe for love. A hint of this, a pinch of that, some extra cream, yeah, that's where it's at. I'm cooking up a recipe for love. body mentally. You'll be wet before we meet physically. I'm cooking up